In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on FaceTune. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't have the FaceTune application on your device already, just go ahead and open the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and search for FaceTune. Once you find the application, tap on the install button, and when it's installed, you will see the open button. Now tap on this and you will be taken to the FaceTune application homepage. Now in order to log into your existing account, you have three options. If you created your account using your Facebook or your Google account, then you can tap on Continue with Google or Continue with Facebook buttons. If you used your email address, however, just go ahead and tap on Continue with Email. You will now be asked to enter your email address. So just go ahead and type it in and then tap on the Continue button. You will now be asked to enter your login code that has been sent to your email address. So just go ahead and check your inbox and you will find your login code. Just type in this code and tap on the Continue button, and this will log you into your FaceTune account immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on FaceTune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.